Hello everyone, you're watching another episode of Joden Vlogs, and in today's episode we're going to be talking a bit about the winter lights at Canary Wharf. I found out about the Winter Lights Festival while reading the Timeout magazine on my way to work one day. I flicked a page and saw this crazy art sculpture and thought, I have to pay it a visit on my next day off. Being in Canary Wharf, in the middle of all of the light sculptures, completely made me forget where I was. And so the Winter Light Festival completely transforms Canary Wharf from a corporate working centre to a wonderland of visual spectacles. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much for watching. It was a lot of fun making this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to keep up to date with the things I put out on the internet, then hit the subscribe button and subscribe yourself. Or hit the bell as well as subscribe so that you know exactly when I've released something. This year is going to be a year of lots of video making, as I've said in one of my previous videos, and a lot of audience growing as well. I don't know how to do that, so I'm just going to do the best I can in terms of video work and saying things to the world with these videos, and who knows what will happen. That being said, if you think you know someone who may benefit from watching this video, then I'd really appreciate it if you shared this link with them so that they could watch the video and then hopefully go to the event. There's only one day left. If you're watching this on the 24th, then you've only got 2 days to attend the event before it's all closed and finished. Reason being, the event finishes on the 26th, so that will be Friday. So again, share this video with whoever you think is interested, because they've only got a limited amount of days left to go and see it. And if you're unfortunate enough to see the event for yourself and it's later on in the year, then at least you had all of that hard work and cool imagery to admire the event by. But there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.